We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a new tornado warning for northwestern Hunt County, southeastern Grayson County, southwestern Fannin County, and northeastern Collin County until 11 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over the town of Trenton, 16 miles southwest of Bonham, and moving southeast now at only 15 miles per hour. The hazard presented by this storm include tornado and ping pong ball sized hail. In mobile homes should be abandoned if at all possible for sturdier shelter. Do not try to drive through this storm. This storm will be around Leonard by 10:40 and Celeste and Merritt by 11 o'clock. It's a slow-moving, massive supercell thunderstorm. This is the tornado warning for northwestern Hunt, southeastern Grayson, southwestern Fannin, and for northeastern Collin County until 11 o'clock. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.